Well, another day for Zach, the stuntman. Look at this amazing stunt. Took us a while to figure out how to do this without him breaking his neck. It's gonna pay off, I hope so. Didn't bad any tests, passed a couple tests, he ended up crashing and almost flipping, but I think he'll be able to do it. Zach, the stuntman's off. Hold on, okay, he's going. He's coming out strong.
Stuntman's coming in. Zach the maniac.
You should pay attention. Oh my gosh, do you believe it? Why don't we put him
Oh my gosh, that was freaking cool.
Why don't we put him a bit closer together than now?
Zach the maniac.
He really is a maniac. Yeah.
Right now. Crap, man.
Well, it's a good way for the viewers to find out how we make our stunts.
Wow, you were pointing the camera at the ground.
Zach, shut up. Okay. Zach, stuntman.
Hey, call me Zach the maniac. That seems
There you go.
catchy. About to crash, but still.
Don't chicken out next time. Next time, actually do it.
Hey, this right here is gonna be next time.
Okay. Hopefully he's ready. Finally. He's coming on. Coming on strong.
My legs. Oh!
Whoa! Zach the stuntman did it again! Whoa, man!